Stera production, we work as a subcontractor for a lot of different industries. In this Turku factory, we are working mostly for automotive industry. The philosophy of Stera production is high automation level in all of our activities. We have had a lot of projects that we have started up. We have increased the number of robotics from 13 to 26 in last 2 years. Since the layout has changed a lot, we have chosen this MiR robot so it can support this kind of agile environment. When we set up the MiR system, we didn't have to make any layout changes. The MiR adapted to our layout system.
We are using MiR to transport all kind of different cages and pallets to the main factory and from the main factory to the warehouse.
Yeah, we have different kinds of pallets that we have to move from the warehouse to the shop floor. In the brochures we saw that the MiR can lift these Euro pallets, but we made some few modifications so we can lift different kinds of pallets with the MiR system. Robots have not completely replaced our forklifts, but they are supporting our forklift drivers. So basically when we have a lot of traffic from the warehouse facility to the shop floor, the robots are helping this movement.
There is a very user-friendly interface on MiR robots. When our robot operators need components, they just push the button and MiR will bring all the components on the component rack.
Of course, this has increased our productivity and has helped us to keep that operative level more close to 100% because you don't have the human factor there that would hinder that level. We measure the MiR operations as daily tasks and they have been able to complete as many tasks as our forklift drivers have been able to complete. Well, we were looking for a solution that could have the payload up to 500 kilograms and MiR was up there for the task. And we were also looking for a solution that would be easy to set up and fast to start operating. Then we also were looking for, of course, a safe system that could work with the truck drivers so that we don't have to limit the space for the HGV. Of course, our workforce have been worried about their position in the factory, but we have been able to locate more tasks for them. And actually, we have been able to grow the workforce numbers during the last 3 years. As we receive good experiences here in Turku factory, we are planning to implement this system also to other Stera factories.